Who wore the beak better? Here comes the toucan, basically a rainbow with wings, colorful, flashy, and always ready for a fruit party. And his opponent?
I never thought I would be in a beak fight with a guy who looks like a carpenter's hammer, but here we are.
And now, the hornbill. Ancient noble with a casque that says, "Respect me."
Nice helmet, dude.
It is not a helmet.
Winner of that day? Still a mystery, but ask anyone in the jungle, the thud thud is basically their new national anthem. Common name, hornbill, also known as banana beak deluxe, jungle toupee, or that bird with a built-in megaphone. Scientific name, Buceratidae, which basically means I am rocking a giant nose and proud of it. Average lifespan, around 35 to 50 years. Yep, they live long enough to see multiple iPhone models come and go and still be judging you from a tree. Size, depending on the species, anywhere from 40 centimeters, that is about a ruler and a half, to a whopping 1.2 meters. Basically the size of a toddler with wings. Their beaks alone can look like an overgrown baguette stuck to their face.
Let us talk about the most obvious thing, that big, oversized beak. It is like a toucan's cousin who joined a gym and said, "More protein shakes, please." But wait, it is not just a beak. On top sits the casque, a hollow helmet-like bump that looks like an extra piece of bird furniture glued on by mistake. What is it for? Scientists say it helps make their calls louder. So yes, the hornbill basically has a built-in megaphone attached to its face. Imagine walking around with a microphone on your nose, just so everyone could hear you brag about your snack. And oh, those calls. A hornbill's laugh does not sound like your friend's giggle. It is more like a mix between a cackling witch and a squeaky door hinge. Other animals probably roll their eyes. Monkey. Ugh, here comes the hornbill again. Hornbill? Ha 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 yee hee hee hee. Echoing across two valleys, jungle, silence, because everyone is stunned. That is why hornbills often get called the comedians of the canopy. They do not care if you laugh with them or at them, they will just laugh louder. But do not be fooled, these birds are not just goofballs, they are also the delivery drivers of the rainforest. Their main job? Eating fruits, flying around, and then, let us say, sharing the seeds with the jungle in a rather messy way. Yep, hornbills poop seeds everywhere. Sounds gross, right? But it is actually amazing. By dropping seeds far and wide, hornbills help new trees grow. Imagine them as the jungle's gardeners, planting forest one bathroom break at a time. If there were plant awards, hornbills would win Best Unlikely Landscape. Here's where the story gets even crazier. When it is time to raise a family, the female hornbill chooses a tree hole. She hops inside and then get this. The male seals her in with mud, food scraps, and poop until there is just a tiny slit left. That is right, she bricks herself in like a medieval princess behind a castle wall. Why? To keep her and the chicks safe from predators. From the outside, the nest looks like a locked treasure chest. From the inside, it is basically Hornbill Mom's maternity ward. Meanwhile, the poor dad is running Hornbill Express delivery service day and night, flying back with fruit, lizards, and insects, stuffing them through the little slot. No doorbell needed, just knock knock with his giant banana beak. Now, remember that casque on the male hornbill's head? Some species actually use it as a battering ram. Two males might crash into each other midair like flying rhinos, casque smashing casque. It is part fighting, part showing off, and mostly, look how tough my forehead is. Meanwhile, the female is probably inside her sealed tree hole, saying, "Boys, stop it. I just want my fruit smoothie delivered on time." Hornbills are not afraid to be flashy. Some have giant yellow-orange bills, some sport black and white feathers like fancy tuxedos, and others even dabble in bright throat patches. They strut around the canopy as if saying, "Yes, I am overdressed, but the rainforest is my red carpet, and do not forget the eyelashes." Yep, hornbills have some of the most fabulous eyelashes in the bird world. If mascara companies ever run out of models, hornbills are ready. Here is another suspenseful moment. Imagine you are walking in the jungle and suddenly you hear a loud whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Not wind, not helicopters. It is the hornbill's wings. They beat so strongly and noisily that you can hear them from far away. It is like the jungle gets surround sound every time one flies past. Other birds try to sneak around quietly. Hornbills? Nope. They announce their arrival like a rock star entering the stage. "Ladies and gentlemen, I have arrived." At the end of the day, hornbills are more than just weird-looking comedians. They are loyal partners, dedicated parents, tree-planting superheroes, and noisy neighbors all rolled into one. Without them, many rainforests would not have the same rich variety of trees. So, the next time you hear a strange jungle laugh or a whooshing sound overhead, do not be scared. It is not a ghost, not a monster, not even a prankster monkey. It is the hornbill, the banana-beaked, helmet-headed, seed-spreading secret agent of the sky. And remember, if you ever feel your fashion choices are a little extra, just think of the hornbill. If a bird can wear a banana nose and a megaphone hat at the same time and still run the rainforest, then honestly, so can you.